Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So, first of all, I have just to dive into System.io. So, this is the homepage as you can see. So welcome to System.io. So you're all in one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters. Growing your businesses, join our community, and start turning your vision into reality today. So, as you can see here, we have System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, and we have you build websites and manage your affiliates, create online courses, and automate your marketing. So, if we scroll down here, we will find here become an affiliate. So you click over it. Once you do that, you will find this page. We have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have here earn 60% lifetime commissions. You have every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Then we have here strong affiliate tracking, open and simple rules. Anyone can be an affiliate. So you write your email address here, as you can see. Then you click over join, start earning affiliate commissions. We have here also how to get started as an affiliate. So the step one, we have here read to our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Step 2, we have read the info page about how to System.io affiliate program works. Then step 3 is check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. Then the last step, which is access our affiliates web folder to find loads of promotional resources for all our offers. So this is how it works, and we have here System.io. What is the definition of System.io? So you can just read it to more understand. So once you do that, you will find other page here. If you log in and write your personal information, then we'll find this page. So this is the home page, as you can see. We have here various things, but before, let's know the price. So as you can see, we have here it's for free, and for example here we have $27 per month, the startup one. Then we have webinars and unlimited. About this one, it's for free. As you can see, you have your contacts, and you have other things here, variants per, and this is how it works with price of System.io. So if you want to create a product, I'll have to do it. Click over here and you click over the one you want. For example, let's click in over physical products. Once you do that, you will find this page. So first, you have just to click over create here, and then you write your name, description, the SKU, product, tags, currency here, price, weight, inventory, shipping. Then here we have to click to upload PNG or JPG, and we have your options also. You can just write your this. Then you click over save, and you will create your product here. So for example, you can choose also orders here. So about orders, well, all I have to do is just write your date here, dates, all orders, and choose product. Then also we have your other one, which is courses, or we'll have also coupons here. So about this one, if you want to add a new courses, you click over here and you write the name here. Then we have here path, and then you click over save. So for example here, we have this courses, as you can see. Also, and products, here we have communities. You can also create here, you write your name, your path here, and your system domain name, and you click over save. So this is how you can create products here. So then we have here sales funnels. To create sales funnels, all I have to do is just click over sales funnels here. You search about whatever you want here. So you click first over create, then you write your name. For example, let's write in Mike, and then you choose if you want to build an audience, custom, sell, or run an evergreen webinar. Then you click over sell, and you choose here, and you click over save, and you will find this one. Then you click over it. So this is how you can create also on sell funnels, and this is how it works with creating sell funnels here or creating products. So let's come back to the top. So before launching your product, it's essential to test the entire purchase process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Conduct a test transaction to verify that customers can easily navigate to checkout, receive confirmation emails, and access their purchases without any hiccups. Once you have ironed out any issues, it's time to promote your product. Use System.io emails marketing features to craft engaging campaigns, leverage social media to build buzz, and consider creating targeted ads or hosting webinars by connecting with your audience and highlighting the unique benefits of your product. You'll maximize your reach and drive sales effectively. So System.io offers a robust platform that empowers you to successfully launch and grow your online business, whether you are creating courses, building membership sites, or driving sales through effective marketing funnels. Its user-friendly tools make it easy to achieve your goals. With the right strategies in place, you can streamline your operations and watch your business thrive. So this is how it works with System.io. Also, we have here other information like why System.io features, and we have a pricing, block, testimonial, and you can. That's also here some comments of people here, like Phil, some business owner, and then we have Adam here, business owner also, and then we have Pashiko here, entrepreneur, and this is how it works with System. You can just get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.